Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly blessed and empowered to be creative with your brains and 5 fingers to support yourself and your followers through the existence of wind, water and sand, which our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama uses to sustain your life and your followers, and also monitors your activities and your followers to avoid blacklist after you and your followers departed from the surface of the sun. Be happy with your life because you are safe and secure to be here on Earth. The wind, water and sand monitor all human activities, both good and bad, to keep a record of every human being before death strikes life. Today is September 8th, 2024, known as Orie Market Day in Igbo land, the day we celebrate water by presenting water to the owner for blessings and increasing the power of water to be effective in healing humans from all kinds of sickness and perfecting human bodies to function well in their daily activities. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe, Ise from Oinendu, Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.